My name is Dev, and I've helped thousands of students read AI papers and land their dream job in AI. In this video, I'm going to go over everything you need to know about papers. In the first half of the video, I'll explain why reading papers is a cheat code to 200K job offers, and in the second half of the video, I'll go over 2 papers I think everyone should read. If you want to land your dream offer in AI without spamming leak code, waiting in long lines at career fairs, or awkwardly begging your family for referrals, this is the video for you. So most people trying to break into AI are focused on the wrong things altogether. They're grinding leak code, they're spamming resumes everywhere, they're hoping for referrals. But they're missing the most important advantage: learning to think like an AI engineer, not just coding like one. So the top candidates don't just build projects, they understand all of the details inside them. The people landing 200K offers are reading AI papers that have redefined the field. And this single habit puts them in the top 1% of applicants, often without even realizing it. And I want to clarify that I was not a prodigy who started reading AI papers in high school. I didn't even know where to begin at first. The first few papers I read were super confusing for me. But once I started focusing on the right papers, ones that were actually beginner friendly, everything changed. It helped me break away from the trap of constantly copying tutorials, and it gave me the inspiration to build different kinds of projects. And building those projects is ultimately what helped me intern at Amazon, land a 200K offer before I graduated, and help thousands of students do the exact same. You see, most hiring managers in AI aren't just looking for code monkeys. They're looking for people who understand how models work under the hood. That's the rare skill, because reading papers proves 3 things. First, that you understand cutting-edge technology. 2, that you can extract implementation details. And 3, that you're proactive enough to go and learn things on your own, the #1 trait for AI engineers. And once you read your first 1 to 2 papers, something starts to click. You start seeing through the hype. You understand how a model really works, not just how to use it on a web app. And you start to speak the language of actual AI engineers, which genuinely impresses them when you ultimately have conversations with them. So now let's go over the 2 specific papers I think everyone should read. They changed everything for me and thousands of my students. The first paper is the GPT-3 paper, or its full name, Language Models Are Few-Shot Learners. I know it's a mouthful, but stay with me. This is the paper that introduced GPT-3, which was essentially the first version of ChatGPT, to the whole world. The core idea of this paper was that scaling up models, making them bigger, training them on larger datasets is all you really need. The performance gets disproportionately better. And this truly changed how engineers and researchers thought about training models versus prompting them. You see, this was the foundation for fine-tuning, RAG workflows, and prompt engineering. It turns out, if we prompt models the right way, we can get them to do crazy things that we didn't explicitly train them to do. Let me give you a simple example. Previously, researchers used to train models for sentiment analysis or emotion detection. We want to pass in a sentence or paragraph and get a number between -1 and 1. -1 is totally negative emotion, 1 is totally positive emotion. But now, with models like GPT, we can just ask the model to do this using plain English in the prompt, and it'll actually perform the task of emotion detection for us. You could ask ChatGPT to report a number back to you between -1 and 1, but we never explicitly trained the model to do this. It just somehow picked this ability up. It's called an emergent ability during the pre-training process. And here's the bonus value. If you understand why GPT-3 and other LLMs generalize so well, it'll give you the intuition and confidence you need to build bigger, more practical applications around and on top of models like GPT-4, Llama, and other open source LLMs. You can reverse engineer the knowledge into prompts or wrappers that solve real-world problems. You may have expected this paper to be on the list. If you haven't heard of it, no worries, we're about to go over it. This paper introduced the transformer architecture, the model behind every modern LLM. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Llama, DeepSeek, the list goes on. There was an older type of model before the transformer called an RNN, or recurrent neural network. This paper got rid of those entirely and replaced them with a concept called self-attention. This paper matters because it literally changed modern deep learning forever. If you understand this paper, you understand 80% of how modern LLMs like ChatGPT really work. This paper was the 0 to 1 moment for NLP, or natural language processing. And if you want to understand the paper as fast as possible, focus on these sections. First, the big idea section of the paper. Why self-attention? Second, the motivation section of the paper. The researchers explain why they got rid of RNNs, or recurrent neural networks. And third, the diagram of the transformer, this famous picture. You should probably memorize it, be able to sketch it, code it up. You should understand this diagram like the back of your hand. If you can explain this in an interview, it'll set you apart from 99% of applicants. And if you want help deciphering AI papers with easy to understand explanations, check out our accelerator. We've helped thousands of people land their dream internship and job in AI engineering. It's linked in the description. And if you're looking for another video to watch, check out this video where I explain the concept of monk mode. It's a phase where you'll build as many high-quality AI projects as possible. It's what I recommend to everybody. Check it out, you don't want to miss it, and I'll see you soon.